I remember it like it was yesterday. I came home, I ran upstairs, opened up the door, went in my room, threw off my backpack. I heard a knock at the door. Opened up the door, and it was my brother. And he had blood all over his shirt. And he looked me dead in my eyes. He said, "Brandon, I just killed someone." Not only did I feel worthless, now I was alone. I grew up extremely poor, so poor that I had to wear the same pair of jeans for about 3 weeks straight. I would take my jeans and turn them inside and out to make it look like I had 2 pairs of jeans. My family and I, we would lie, steal, and cheat just to get by. And the truth is, I knew I was doing wrong, but I was too afraid to stand up to myself and stand up for myself. My life began to change because I began to take off my mask. We've all been hurt. We all have these wrinkles. And what we do is we come to school and we put on the mask because we don't want nobody to see all the hurt that we really have. Do you ever feel the fear of failure from your friends, from your parents, or from your teachers? Do you ever feel that fear of failure? If it applies to you, stand up and raise your right hand. Have you ever felt the darkness of depression, or you felt like you had a mental health issue? For anyone who feels like they're alone in these situations, you feel like you're the only one going through them, I want you to look around this room and understand that you're not alone. You're not alone in these pressures. A lot of times we feel like when we're alone, we're the only one going through them. So many of us students in this nation, we make permanent decisions based off of temporary feelings. And I want to encourage you today to understand that you're not the only one. We all have raised our hands saying, "Hey, this is how I feel." But that's one part of it. The other part of it is, how do you push back against those feelings in a positive way? If you would, today, consider taking off your mask and sharing your truth.